I have your December 2025 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Belon with House2home Properties with a real estate market update for December 2025. We manage single-family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In December 2025, the median rent was $2,600 and the days on market was 41 days. Compared to the previous month, rents have stayed the same and it's taking the same amount of time to rent a house in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, rents have gone up a little, 2%, but it's taking 12 days longer to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Zillow's national rental numbers. This is for the entire United States. In December 2025, the national median rent was $22.19. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone down 1.4% nationwide. And compared to the same time last year, rents have also gone down 1.4% nationwide. In the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay and the orange line is nationwide. And you'll see the trend of Tampa Bay and nationwide rents. And also the next graph here shows the history of the days on market. It's taking over a month to rent a house in Tampa Bay. Here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This will be for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In December 2025, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,506. Hillsborough County had 1,070 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 436. There was a 23% increase in eviction filings from a month ago, and a 9% decrease in eviction filings from a year ago in Tampa Bay. I included a graph here showing the eviction activity throughout the months. Okay, now for the lease renewal rate. This is the lease renewal rate for House2home Properties. Our lease renewal percentage, we are renewing 84% of our leases. Okay, let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. Now for the sales numbers. This is from the MLS. This is for houses sold in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In December 2025, the median sales price was $437,000. The days on market was 47 days, and the month's supply of inventory was 4 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have increased 4%, and is taking 1 day longer to sell a home in Tampa Bay. And compared to the same time last year, house prices have decreased 0.6%, and is taking 12 days longer to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. And here are Realtor.com's national home sales. This is for the entire United States. In December of 2025, the median home list price was $399,950. That's a 0.6% decrease from the previous year. The days on market was 73 days. That's 4 days longer to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings increased 12.1% from the previous year nationwide. And in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. You'll see the median sales price in December is up a little compared to the median sales price nationwide, which looks like is on a downward trend. Okay, now for the national 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In December 2025, the mortgage interest rate was 6.18%. From the month prior, interest rates slightly decreased 0.08%. The previous month's rate was 6.26%. And from last year, the interest rate decreased a little over half a point, 0.54%. The previous year's rate was 6.72%. And in the graph here, you'll see the mortgage rates looks like continues to be on a slight downward trend. That's your market update for December 2025. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Bilan, and I'm always here to help you with your property.